Peace and blessings, Taurus. I hope you are doing well. I am here to deliver your reading. If you allow me into your energy, we can get started. All right, I have balanced force in the reverse. I have soul chakra star merging with the divine in the reverse. I have the sound of the universe upright, and I have transformation here in reverse as well for you, Taurus. Go ahead and start utilizing the different tools that you have to cleanse your energy, because there's a lot of grayness, and this is going to sound weird, but there's a lot of grayness that's in your energy right now, and that's ultimately what's causing you to feel very down, very blue, somewhat attacked, but the people who are around you, they don't know anything better to do other than to attack somebody when they are in the wrong. So don't get caught up on these people and their feelings and their issues. Focus on yourself. Go outside, hug a tree, get your feet in the dirt or the grass, go for a run, whatever the case may be. Start rebalancing yourself here, and also start doing things that you feel connect you to the divine, to your spiritual team, to whoever you deem God or the Most High. With the sound of the universe, sometimes we just need to sit still, be still, and just listen. That way we can fully understand what the universe, God, whomever you deem the Most High, has to say to you, as well as your spiritual team. Okay. All right, clarifying balance forces. I have the World card upright. I have the Nine of Coins upright. The High Priestess upright. The Queen of Cups in the reverse. And I also have the Page of Wands here. Well, it's good to know that you are on the wave of letting this cycle go and beginning anew, and you would much rather be independent and healthy and wealthy rather than tied to or bound to someone and they're not reciprocating the same area or the same, not the same area, what's the word? The same level of grace and the same room that you would give them when they would need it. That's good. Taurus, you had a breakthrough when it came to a certain trigger, and that's wonderful. I love that you loved yourself enough and you stood on how you reacted towards it, which it could have been worse. It could have been worse, but it was not. And kudos. I'm very proud of you for that, Taurus. Like, you may feel as if it was immature of you to act this way or to react this way because of this person and how they triggered you, but don't feel that way because that's only a projection from them. They believe that you're overreacting, but you're not, because if it wasn't as big or as triggering, you never would have like reacted to it. The Page of Wands lets me know that there are new opportunities, good news coming your way, which is nice. You can definitely like breathe a sigh of relief if you so choose, Taurus. Um, I do have the Hermit card here. Virgo energy, spiritual enlightenment, soul searching, soul reflection. Definitely take that time to isolate if you need to. If you don't want nobody in your face, Taurus, you don't have to have anybody in your face. That's completely up to you, babe. Take that rest period that you need to rebalance. Even if it's just by yourself or with someone that you trust. Like, take that time out for yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. Clarifying the soul star chakra in reverse. All right, I have the Death card, the Ace of Wands, Four of Cups, the Hermit, the Hierophant in reverse, the Two of Swords, Queen of Wands, and then I also have the Nine of Wands here. If something in the back of your mind is telling you to let go of certain things, let them go, Taurus. Like, I understand that you enjoy a routine and you don't really want to start anything new, but how are you supposed to grow or move ahead if you don't do that? Because you're not going to have enough room to move forward or to gain blessings if you're hoarding like stuff that has cobwebs and whatnot all over it and it's no longer useful to you. Close these chapters that are open and allow new chapters to come in. Well, new chapters to open and new blessings to come in. There is a decision that you're going to have to make, though, and it's in regards to a Queen of Wands here. And it's, I'm getting a very authoritative figure. I'm getting a very authoritative figure, matriarch. It's up to you on whether or not you're going to continue to deal with the shenanigans of a crazy person. And I'm not like saying crazy person as in being rude. It's just there's a lot that they're dealing with, and it's completely up to you on whether or not you're going to be this person punching bag or not. Because you shouldn't be in fear or anxious or unhappy where you lay your head. The choice is completely up to you. Completely up to you. If you know people that you trust, like, start working with them. See what you can move and shake and fly to the moon. Half of y'all won't even be flying. Half of y'all gonna be running. But it's completely up to you on whether or not you want to close these chapters or open new doors for yourself once you close these old ones. Taurus, if you already know that the person that you've been with for a while now, if you already know that they at any inconvenience will like step out or cheat on you, just let them go. Because they like to overindulge thinking that it's okay and it's not. If anything, they missed the opportunity with you, Taurus, and that's not your problem. That's not your problem at all. If they want to go off and be stupid somewhere else, let them be stupid while you are thriving in this magician energy and bringing the dreams and desires that you have, that you thought about when you were a child, into fruition. Be patient with yourself though, because once you do pull the plug on it, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt big time because of just the amount of energy and time that you put in. But if they were willing to throw it away, just let it go. And you rebuild, because they're not going to be able to rebuild themselves off of you. They'll have to rebuild themselves from the ground up, which they're not used to doing. But that's not your problem either. Taurus, once you let this go, your money gonna be flowing right. I can tell you that much. Because you're waiting for like your ships to come in, you're waiting for these different opportunities to come in, but they, like, your ancestors, they not about to bless nothing, especially when they know that you connected to somebody that hasn't put in the work to reap this blessing with you, if that makes sense. You'll feel emotionally renewed once you let this go. Because you shouldn't have to constantly be in battle with somebody, especially when you came waving the white flag to begin with. Like, you came in peace with this person, but they decided to just talk out the side of their neck about absolutely nothing and then drag you into some stuff. And what they be dragging you into literally has nothing to do with you or them. Taurus, go ahead and focus on your money and leave this person alone. Stop wasting your time. Start focusing on the dreams and goals that you have. That way you not like this person singing the shoulda, coulda, wouldas, and self-sabotaging, because this person got like strong self-sabotaging energy, and it doesn't make any sense, and you don't need to be anywhere around that, babe. But that's the reading for Taurus this week. I pray that you resonated with this reading. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my posts, and I will see you next week. Bye.